Okay, as you can see here, we're looking at the map of ancient Palestine during the time of the Roman Empire, partly of the Roman Empire, showing the homeland of the Jews, which it says is the Empire of David and Solomon, which is outlined in red, as you can see. Here's it's outlined in red. And that was considered a Jewish empire for a long time. But this place was also considered Palestine, which was part of where a group of people called the Palestinians lived. So it's not about who got there first, they were both there at the same time. Once the Jews were driven out of Israel, or yeah, of Israel, of the Middle East, Palestine was ruled by lots of different groups. We've talked about the Romans who forced the Jews out. The Arabs came and spread Islam to the region at that time, which is when most Palestinians became Arab, though some were Christian and converted to Christianity during the time of the Roman Empire. These following groups are all Muslim groups, with the exception of the Crusaders, who were Christian, trying to retake the Holy Land. Um, to the end, where the Ottoman Empire was ruling the region of Palestine for about 400 years until World War One, in which time the Ottoman Empire fell and the European powers divided up the Middle East amongst themselves.